When Darius Dobre making strawberry juice in home, then they will decide to prank phone with his elder brother Cyrus Dobre. And Cyrus Dobre come into home. Then suddenly Darius Dobre telling, my hand was damaged on the blender. Then Cyrus Dobre is so worried and he will going to the hospital with Darius Dobre, and Cyrus Dobre come and see this position, and when he will come back, then they will see Darius Dobre condition is so bad. Then Cyrus is so worried. Then Darius Dobre telling it's just a prank fun, and Darius Dobre prank with Cyrus Dobre. Then Cyrus Dobre is happy to save his brother. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till that, and take care. Bye bye.